Now I would like to introduce our company. Our company is a railway company which is CRRC Rolling Stock Center. CRRC Rolling Stock Center Sdn Bhd is a sprawling 42-arch manufacturing base located in Batu Gajah, Perak dan Rizwan, providing a wide range of solutions such as production, welding, assembly, testing, overhaul and refurbishment of railway system, including locomotive, MRT, EEMU, LRT and other form of railway transport equipment. So our company want to find a security officer to take care of the security of our company. We use the external method in recruitment and group interview method. Thank you.
Please come in. All of you guys can have a seat.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Thank you for coming in and your interest in our company and the positions. I'm going to lead our conversation with questions, but you are more than welcome to ask me whatever might be interesting to you about the role and the company. I'm also going to take a few notes on my book, and I hope that isn't too distracting, so you guys can relax a little bit.
So, can I know if this is Mr. Arun Nason, anak laki Nason, and you are Muhammad Arif Haikal bin Muhammad Tafiq?
Yes, I'm Arun Nason.
Yes, my name is Arif.
Okay, so I want to know where you guys come from.
I'm from Ipoh, Perak.
I'm from Sri Iskandar, Perak.
Okay, thank you. But can I know what do you guys feel about this interview?
I feel challenged and blessed to be here for this interview today.
I feel excited for this interview and feel some nervous.
Okay, thank you for your answer. So we will start the interview right now.
Okay, Mr. Arif, could you tell us about your background that make you suitable for this position?
I hold a diploma in OSHA. I am certified as a safety professional. Additionally, I have over 5 years of experience working in various safety roles, including conducting risk assessment, developing safety procedure, and implementing training programs.
Okay, thanks for your answer. Mr. Arif, could you tell us about your background that make you suitable for this position?
I hold a diploma in occupational safety and health, and I'm a very well certified as a safety officer. Moreover, I have more than 7 years of experience working in various safety roles, such as implementing many training programs.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
Mr. Arun, can you tell me what is your previous responsibility as safety officer?
As a safety officer, I also need to keep detailed record of safety inspections, incidents, training sessions, and compliance documentations. Safety officer also can offer guidance and advice to management and employees on safety-related matters. Lastly, as a safety officer, need to continuously evaluate and improve safety processes, programs, practice to enhance effectiveness and minimize risk.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Arun. Mr. Arif, can you tell me what is your previous responsibility as safety officer?
As a safety officer, I am responsible for creating and implementing safety policy, procedures, and programs to ensure compliance with regulations and industry standards. Then, I also need to conducting training session for employees to ensure they are aware of safety protocols and procedures. Identifying potential hazards in the workplace through risk assessment and implementing measures to mitigate risk also one of the responsibility for safety officer.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Arif.
Okay, so may I ask Mr. Arun, may I know how do you stay updated on safety regulation and best practice in the industry?
Okay, as a safety officer, I stay updated by subscribing to industry newsletters and publications, attending conferences, workshops and seminars, participating in industry forums and online communities.
Thank you for your answer. Okay, so Mr. Arif, I want to know how do you stay updated on safety regulation and best practice in the industry?
I will regularly attend safety seminars, subscribe to publication, and participate in relevant online courses to stay abreast of the latest safety regulation and best practice. Additionally, I am an active member of professional safety organization where I engage in networking and knowledge sharing activities.
Thank you, Mr. Arif, for your answer.
Mr. Arif, how do you handle employee training and education regarding safety procedures?
Identify safety procedures by determining which safety procedure is relevant to your workplace and industry. This could include fire safety, emergency executions, equipment operations, hazardous material and handling. Developing training materials. Create comprehensive training materials that outline each safety procedures, including written documents, presentations, videos and interactive modules.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Arif, how do you handle employee training and education regarding safety procedures?
I develop tailored training programs based on job roles and potential hazard, conduct interactive training sessions, and provide resources for ongoing education. I also encourage employee feedback and participation to ensure that training is effective and engaging.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
If I ask both of you to work overtime, are you willing to do it?
Yes, I am willing to do overtime.
I also willing to do it.
Thank you. And how much basic salary do you guys expect from these positions?
Based on my 7 years of experience, I'm expecting a pay of 3,300.
I expect basic salary for this position is around 3,000 per month.
Okay, so I want to ask Mr. Arif, as a safety officer, what are you trying to achieve?
As a safety officer, my primary goal is to ensure the health, well-being and safety of all employees within the organization. This involves implementing and enforcing safety policy and procedure, identifying and mitigating potential hazards in the workplace, conducting regular inspection and audits, providing training and education on safety best practice, and fostering a culture of safety awareness and accountability. Ultimately, my aim is to prevent accidents, injuries and occupational illness, thereby creating a safe and productive work environment for everyone.
Okay, thank you for your answer. For Mr. Arun, the same question. As a safety officer, what are you trying to achieve?
As a safety officer, my goal typically revolves around ensuring the well-being of all individuals in the workplace and maintaining safe environment. Here are some specific goals I might have. Zero accidents, shooting for zero workplace accidents by implementing effectively safety measures, training programs, and risk mitigation strategies. Compliance with regulations such as ensuring full compliance with local, state, and federal state regulations such as standards to prevent legal issues and ensure the safety of employees.
Thank you for your answer.
Okay, may I ask both of you? There have been multiple incidents of employees not wearing appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE) in a manufacturing plant, despite strict safety protocols in place. Okay, I'm giving you guys 5 minutes to think for the answer.
A few moments later.
Okay, time's up. May I have your answer?
The safety officer should investigate the root cause of why employees are not wearing PPE. This could involve interviewing workers, observing work practice, and reviewing training records. Next is communication. Once the root cause is identified, the safety officer should communicate the importance of wearing PPE effectively to all employees.
I agree with Mr. Arif. Promote a safety culture by fostering a culture of safety within the organization, where prioritizing safety is ignited in the company's value of practices. Recognize and reward employees who demonstrate example safety behaviors. Supervision and monitoring. Increase supervision and monitoring to ensure compliance with PPE requirements, implements regular checks and audits to identify any non-compliant issues.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Arif and Mr. Arif.
Thank you for your time and for sharing your experience and insight with us today. We appreciate your interest in joining for our company. We will be in touch with any updates regarding the next steps in the hiring process. If you have any further questions or need clarification on anything discussed today, please feel free to reach out. We wish you the best of luck in your job search and thank you again for considering CRRC company.